This time, we will see how to create animations using MemeNgin. We can animate image by building a logic, but this time we will see how to compose it using existing GIF, which is relatively simple. Drag and drop any GIF file into the editor. GIFs are created as animation node. The progress of the animation determined by the value of the progress property of the animation node. For example, 0 will show the first frame and 1 will show the last frame. Now it's time to change the progress of the animation over time. Create a time node in the control section. Connect the output of the time node to the animation node. Now, changing the progress value of the time node to a slide will play the animation. You can also change FPS and animation length in time node. If a project have a time node, it is recognized as an animation project. You can access render dialog in animated project. Click the render frames button at the top right. Click the play button to play your animation. You can create a GIF by pressing the render animation button in the middle. When the rendering is complete, you can save your GIF by clicking the save button on the right. Don't forget to combine time node's progress value with curve, repeater, and bounce node to create a variety of animation effects such as easing.